Now student, we are going to the main part, that means voice change. You carefully follow the written things here. We do the voice change here. Okay, so we have learned there are two voice, active voice and the passive voice. So what is the most important thing in this thing? Action. Okay, so we know there is the sentence structure of a sentence is subject, action and object. That means we all know that subject, verb and object. This is SVO structure. That means primarily this is the structure of a sentence, subject, verb and object. In active voice we follow this structure, subject, verb and object. This is the structure of active voice. So active voice, what we use? Subject, action means verb and the object SVO. But in passive voice, object, action and subject. So what we have learned that in passive voice we write at first the object, then the action, then the subject. Now what is the structure of passive voice? At first we write the object, then the helping verb, or we may call it be verb. That means be verb means কোনগুলো? Am, is, are. Am, is, are. These are the be verb. Next the verb third form, that means past participle form, PP of the verb, then the subject. So when we transform the active voice into the passive voice, we follow the system. That means we write first object, then the helping verb means be verb, that is am, is, are, then the verb third form, that means past participle form, then the subject. Now see the example. Soma writes the letter. This sentence in active voice, subject, Soma writes verb and the letter is object. Okay, so when we do it in passive voice, what we will write? The letter, that means the object becomes the subject. That means the object becomes the subject. Okay, the letter. Next verb. Verb is in simple present tense. So we have written here is. Okay, the letter is the singular form. So we have written here is. Then what we have learned? Past participle form or verb third form. Next write, wrote, written. We have written here the third form. Next we have added a by. Okay, next Soma. So what we have learned that we write at first the object, then the be verb, next the third form of the verb, next the by, next the subject. So we have learned primarily how to do the voice change. Okay, now when we do the voice change, we have to remember the 5 steps. Okay, what are the steps? What are the steps? At first identify the subject, verb and object. If the sentence is given in active voice, so you have to turn the sentence in passive voice. Then what you will do? At first identify the subject, verb and object. Then subject into object or object into subject. That means object থেকে তোমাকে কোথায় যেতে হবে? সাবজেক্টে নিয়ে যেতে হবে। Next convert verb into verb third form, that means present to past participle form এ নিয়ে যেতে হবে। Next step number 4, add helping verb before main verb, অর্থাৎ you have to add am, is, are, has, have or wherever it is needed. Okay, next we add by. So these are the steps that we follow before doing the passive voice, before doing passive voice. So these are the things that we learn before doing passive voice. Okay, before doing passive voice. Now, if the pronoun is given I, you turn it me, he, him, she, her, we, us, they, them. So we have learned the basic things of doing voice change. Now we will learn how the verb changes according to the tense. That means in simple present tense, in present continuous tense, in present perfect tense, then simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, how they change it. Okay, then we will learn. At first you learn the primary things which I have learned today. Okay, which you have learned today.